Variables in Python. Variables are memory reference points where we store values which can be accessed or changed later. The names given to the variables are known as identifiers. In Python, we do not need to specify the type of variable because Python is a dynamically typed language and it identifies the variable type automatically. Let's understand this with the help of the given examples. Declaring and initializing a variable. In Python, variables are declared and initialized at the same time in the following way. On the output screen, A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 40 will be printed. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables at the time in the following way. On the output screen, A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20 will be printed. You can also assign multiple values to multiple variables in the same line in the following way. On the output screen, name is Deepak, age is 12 and grade is 7 will be printed. You must follow the given rules while creating and naming the variables. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters, all the letters of the alphabet and numbers, and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. Variable names cannot contain any special character or symbol. Data types. A data type specifies the type of value a variable can contain. For example, a person's name must be stored as a string value, whereas the person's age must be stored as an integer. Data types in Python are int, positive or negative whole numbers without any fractions. Example, A is equal to 3. Float, any real number in which a fraction is denoted by a decimal symbol. Example, A is equal to 3.5. String, a string value is a collection of one or more characters put in single or double quotes. Example, A is equal to hello in double quotes.